Hello, and today we're going to go over how to create a public Facebook page. So, why do you need a public Facebook page? Well, this differentiates you from a personal page. Personal page is meant for private people. Public is something that anybody can see and enjoy. I've been asked this question a lot during this time, and I thought it would be best to create a screencast. So, as you can see, I've already got my browser open. Here it is, and I am already logged into Facebook. Facebook is about to undergo a redesign, but most of the designs and stuff here will stay the same in the new design, but this is the current design. To create a page, super easy. So take your cursor up here, where I'm circling up here, and you're going to click create for me, and then you're going to select page. Now if you're doing a group or an event, you can select any of these, but today we're going to create a page. So here's your choices here. You got a business or a brand, or you've got a community or public figure. I've been asked this a lot for like religious organizations such as churches. You can go with a church, either of these. I would select probably a community, but like I said, church is kind of, a religious organization is kind of this weird gray area, so either of these will work. I'm going to do a fake page today for a username I have, so I'm going to do public figure as if I was actually famous. So page name, so I'll just use my username here, Donut, and then you will select a category for this. So for this, since we're just doing this, I'm going to choose like just for fun. You can add more tags later, and then click continue. And then you're going to sit here and let Facebook kind of spin and think. And voila, now you're here to your tutorial. Definitely, first few steps you want to do is have a profile picture and a cover photo. This differentiates you from a bot creating a page, which could be malicious and spam. If you have a profile picture and a cover photo, you actually look legitimate. Now, I already have in my recently selected here where I would be selecting my cover photo and my profile photo. So for this example, since I'm Crispy Donut, I've got a few donuts here I've selected. We're going to choose the colorful one for today. And Facebook's going to load that. So now it's asking me to select a cover photo. You can have these custom made. You can have graphic designers pick this, or just pick a nice photo of the building that you have for your business. Just anything that kind of shows that you're you. So for me, I have something that I made for a former page that I had, and it has my name on it. So now, here we go. Here's everything. So now you have your cover photo. Here is my profile photo. Now, if this bothers you, because it does not give you a chance to position it, you'll hit change cover photo. And then you can just select edit. Here it is. And you can kind of just click when you see the crosshairs and just kind of drag that down. Hit save. And there you go. That's centered nicely. From here, your first thing you're going to do is edit page info. You want to have this done before your page is really up for going. So here, you're going to have your description, what you're about. Here's where you can add more categories. Phone number. Do not put your private phone number on here. Always have it be a public business phone number if you have one. If you don't, select that, hit save changes, and Facebook will not show a number. Protect your privacy. Don't put your personal information such as personal email, personal address, or anything. You can easily select these off just here and hit save changes on all of these. And the good news with this is that there will not be these on your page once you select all this. So once you have set, your page is good to go. Good news is, if you need to set this and come back later, see right here, after I click General, up at the top, page visibility, I can edit and I can unpublish this page. So this prevents it. So I can select here, page is not finished, hit next. And we'll tell them I need additional content, unpublish. So now only I could see this page, which is good. I prefer, if I'm working on a page you're going to get started, unpublish it and then publish it when I am ready. Another thing you need to select to create your Facebook page, quick and easy, is down here on the left-hand side. So down from General, about halfway on my screen, page roles. You need to select your page roles. These are your administrators, your editors, your advertisers. You do not have to select one for each of these. You need at least one administrator. Now, I'm an administrator. My most commonly asked question for Facebook pages is, what if it's an organization and I leave and I do not want to be the admin anymore? You can leave. You can delete yourself. But don't do it yet, because see, there's only me here. If I left this page, it would sit and nobody would be able to edit it. There's several pages on Facebook now that are stuck like this. So what you would do here, so for instance, I'm going to select my sister here. So if I wanted my sister to go on my page role here, I would select this. I would go admin, and here we go. I would select add. So that way she would be an administrator, and then I could delete myself. We're just going to delete her, for example. So that's the thing, is make sure you set another admin. Admin can change any of these settings. Now you can also have, you don't want an admin or somebody else have that kind of control for now. You just want to do it yourself. That's great. You can also select editor. Editors can publish posts. They can edit posts, but they cannot select or change any of these. Moderators can send messages as the page, or they can, edit comments for like spam, for foul language, and that kind of thing. Advertisers, just what you read. They select ads. Analysts, they just look at page statistics, which is a whole other tutorial video. Once you have all that set, you can select your page here, you select to republish it, and you are good to go. That is creating your first public Facebook page. This is a great public way for you to interact with your clients, consumers, or your audience. And especially in this day and age of being online more than ever, you want that public interface that everybody can access. Especially if you are any kind of organization that services the public. You want them to be able to keep your information private, but yet people still reach you, contact you. A public Facebook page is a great way to do that. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you and have a great day.